For our videos, the procedures are the same for LIMDEP and NLOGIT, so I'll just refer to LIMDEP. This video will illustrate a few data handling features using one of the datasets distributed with the program. From the File menu, let's select Open Project, find the dairy project file, and double-click it. To view the data, open the data editor by either double-clicking any variable name in the project window or clicking the icon on the toolbar. The Create command is the main command used to transform your data. You can make new variables or modify existing ones. There are many different functions and operations used with Create. I'll illustrate a few of them here. I previously opened an editing window. The basic format of the command is create name equals expression. The expression can be anything you want, including over 200 functions such as log, ABS for absolute value, and EXP for exponent. For example, this creates the square of x1. The expression can be very involved. For example, this creates the square of x1 squared plus x2 squared. There are many functions you can use along with the algebraic operations. One feature that is very helpful is the function to create random samples using the random number generators. LIMDEP can create about 30 different kinds of random data. Two useful ones are the normal and uniform distributions. For example, this creates a random sample in the active sample of draws from the normal population with mean 5 and standard deviation 21.89. The mean and standard deviation can be anything you like. The other fundamental random number generator is the continuous uniform. For example, this creates a sample of uniform draws that range from -2 to 3. The lower and upper limits can be anything you like. You can also create functions of functions. For example, this creates a chi-squared sample by squaring the normal sample. Another useful function for create is used to create dummy variables. There are a few ways to do this. The simplest just uses the algebraic comparisons. For example, this creates a variable that equals 1 if x1 is greater than x2 and 0 if not. Another way to do the same thing is, finally, Create notices missing data. Any expression that involves a missing value for any of the variables in it becomes a missing value also. The one exception you might use is to ask LIMDEP if an observation is missing. It might look like this. Create, if x is missing, then missing x equals 1, else missing x equals 0. Remember that LIMDEP's internal code for missing data is -999. You can do this with the command, which will work exactly as it appears. The 0 results if the 1 does not result. Let's actually run the commands and see the variables that have been created. In the project window, you can see the new variables that we created, and you can view them in the data editor. Those are the basic features of transforming your data. Thanks for watching.